A concerned member of the public called about a guy in a black truck driving erratically and putting people in danger. Turns out the driver ended up being a lieutenant from the Lower Township, New Jersey Police Department. This guy was hammered. Responding officers arrived on the scene, and I want you to guess how the lieutenant was treated.
Sir, you know we don't want to be put in this position.
You know what, John? I get it. I would love to know who called.
You can find that out. You know that. You can find out. I don't know who called. I do not know, but you know you'll be able to find that out. We did not know we were looking for this truck, sir. Came out as an erratic driver. Handled it how any cops would have.
Let me ask you this. Can I have 20 minutes?
Sir, you know we cannot do that. Everything is, sir, everything's on camera.
I get it. I totally get it.
LT, you know you can't do that, sir. We can't have you in the front seat.
I can't have you in the front seat.
We're not going to cuff you in the back, okay? We're going to do it in the front, all right?
Are you serious?
Sir, you understand this. You would hate to be in our position too. John, please, John. Please, John. John, please. Sir, I would like you. This is what's going to happen. We're going to get you behind this door so no one sees. Mike's going to put the cuffs on you in the front, in the back.
No, there's no cuffs.
We all know that discretion is the freedom to decide what should be done in a particular situation. Cops exercise discretion every day. They can pull you over or not pull you over. They can hand you a ticket or let you go with a warning. They can escalate a situation or make efforts to calm things down. They can put handcuffs on you and take you to the station, or they can let you go. That they have discretion and exercise discretion is never more obvious than when they encounter someone they believe has equal or greater authority than they do, like when they pull over another cop or a police chief or a politician. Even when speeding or a DUI results in the arrest of a fellow Blue Line officer, cops treat other cops differently than they treat the rest of us. They get special treatment, like how they handled this New Jersey police lieutenant who had a blood alcohol level of, get this, 0.36.
You gotta do what you gotta do. We got calls on it.
What's up, LT?
Hey, LT, how you doing?
Somebody called it on you driving erratic.
Erratic driver.
Headed home?
Hey, I'm sorry to bother you. My mic's live, just so you know, at this point. I mean, my camera. We had an erratic driver call. Lieutenant Chu. We got him on a 38 Honeysuckle on Idell. I'm in charge right now. I just wanted to call and let you know. I'm not saying that yet. I haven't went up to the. Nucius went up to the car. I kind of stayed back.
Did the caller
Yes, sir. And Idell, right down the street from his residence. Okay. Yes, sir. Did you see who was? Did you tell him to stand by? Yeah. Alright, I'm on the phone with the lieutenant right now. He told me to hang tight for a minute.
You on?
Yes. You? You're not. Turn it on.
Oh, I switched the cameras out.
What did he say? I was behind him. I was behind you. Did you get any? Yes. We gotta do what we gotta do. We're gonna have to lock him up if he's 450, dude. You told him to just hang tight? Mm-hmm. You didn't observe any alcohol in the thing or anything? I know you probably don't. It's a high truck. Is there an odor yet or anything?
No.
You didn't get an odor? Alright.
So they've contacted another lieutenant about the situation, and with an awareness that they're being recorded, they're very cautious about what they're saying.
I gotta call Edwards. Just to let him know I can't pick him up. We're gonna have to pull him out. Hey, I'm gonna be late picking. I'm not gonna be able to pick you up. Can you drive in? We have an incident. Now my mic's live. We're on a 38 right now with someone we work with. Hang on one second. We had an erratic driver call. Lieutenant Chu. We pulled him over. We're doing some investigation right now. I'm waiting for Lieutenant Curley coming back, so I'm going to be late picking up. Obviously, if you could drive in. All right. All right. Thanks.
Can we shut these off for a conference real quick?
Hang on. Hey, LT. This. Okay. Yeah, we're not going to mute our cameras at all or anything. Okay. Absolutely. Yep. All right. See ya. We're gonna have to pull him out. We can't mute our cameras. We can't do anything. Let's hope. Hopefully he's all right. Safe to drive. Edward's just coming in. Come on. Yeah, we're not going to mute our cameras at all or anything. Okay. We can't mute our cameras. We can't do anything.
Now, why would muting body cams ever be an option in the first place? Watch how apologetic these cops are, and watch how fearful they are to do the right thing to one of their own.
Hey, LT. So we had the erratic driver call on you. I guess Nucius had some observation. We have to handle this like anything else. He's going to ask you to step out. We already talked to Lieutenant Prioli. All right? He's gonna make sure you're safe to operate the vehicle, okay?
I have to drive half a mile.
I understand, but everything's recorded now, sir. You know that. We got to handle it how we have to handle it. Trust us, we don't want to be put in this position either.
No. I get it.
Can you step out, sir? He's just going to talk to you. You know how it is. He's going to ask you some questions, make sure you're all right.
I'm fine.
Do me a favor, can you just take your hat off for me, please, sir? Can you just take your hat off? Feet together, hands down your side.
LT, let's get him off the... We don't want to do it in the middle of the road here. Let's get him off the side. I'm going to kill my lights too, all right? I just put the back on.
Right,
LT, let's get you out of the middle of the road. We don't want you in the middle of the road here. Let's go off to the side.
I'm convinced that the only thing keeping these cops on track to handle this situation like they are is the fact that they got a call for erratic driving and everything is being recorded. They attempt to take Lieutenant John Chu through a couple field sobriety test exercises. And with his high octane blood, of course, he fails miserably. Now, with a string of apologies, let's watch these cops begin to give their lieutenant the special treatment.
Sir, you know we don't want to be put in this position.
You know what, John? I get it.
You don't have your weapon on you or anything? You don't have any firearms?
No, it's shit.
No, it's
no.
stuff I got to ask, Sarge. Or LT.
Shit, no.
Okay.
No.
All right. Your observations. LT, we're going to have to bring you in and put you on the box based on the test. You know we don't want to do this. We have to do everything's recorded. You understand that?
No, I get that.
You want me to grab your phone or anything? Your phone's not on you, right? Mike, you want to check to make sure it doesn't have anything on? Okay. All right, nothing personal. Our safety and yours. You know what we have to do. I just want to check to make sure you don't have anything on you. All right.
You know what, John? Go ahead. Do what you got to do.
All right. Can you walk back to this car with us, please?
No. You know what?
What's sir?
And with a long 20-second delay, the lieutenant says that he'd like to find out who made the call and put him in this position.
I would love to know who called.
You can find that out. You know that. You can find out. I don't know who called. I do not know, but you know you'll be able to find that out. We did not know we were looking for this truck, sir. Came out as an erratic driver. Handled it how any cops would have.
Well, that's not terrifying at all. To know that a lieutenant with the power to find out who called the cops on his dangerous driving and has the ability to retaliate on a member of the public is sobering. Pun intended. Now the special treatment and the tiptoeing on eggshells really starts to heat up.
But unfortunately, we're in a situation now.
No, I get it. I totally get it.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I would never disrespect you. And no, I wouldn't.
And I wouldn't disrespect you either, sir. So with all respect, can we get you back there so we can get you off the street, get away from this?
I'm not going back to that PD.
I'll tell you at this point, our hands are tied. I mean, I hope you understand.
I totally get it.
And we don't want to make the situation any worse, sir.
No, listen,
You know?
I
know you're not gonna
not make it worse.
I understand that. I know you wouldn't. That's what I'm saying. If we can get you in the back of the car, get you out of here.
Let me ask you this. Can I have 20 minutes?
Sir, you know we cannot do that. Everything is, sir, everything's
No,
on
I
camera.
get it. I totally get it.
See, people are starting to drive by. LT, let's get you out of here, okay? Can you come with us?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go in the back of Mike's car. We'll get you out of here. Make sure
you know
you're
what?
safe. What's up? I can't let you get in the car. You know that.
Well, then you drive it.
Well, if you have someone on scene, we can get it. I see Mr. Eccles here. We can try to get him to.
Drive my truck home, please.
His keys are in it. We'll handle that. LT, we'll handle that. All right. Do front and search him. Okay. Don't put him in the back. I'm saying you can cuff him in the front. Hey, Rob.
Hey, what can I do, man?
Not much any of us can do, unfortunately. Oh, we can't do that, Mike. Yeah, just do me a favor, hang tight, all right? LT, you know you can't do that, sir. We can't have you in the front seat.
I can't have you in the front seat.
We're not going to cuff you in the back, okay? We're going to do it in the front, all right?
Are you serious?
Yeah, sir, you understand this. You would hate to be in our position too. John, please, John. Please, John. John, please. We'll get you the help you need. Let's just, come on. You know we don't want to do this to you. All right, well, we gotta get you. We gotta get this process up. People are starting to come. We're all gonna get. You know what? Other people
John,
responding out
tell
here.
me
Sir, I would like you.
Just
This
tell
is what's
me.
gonna happen. We're gonna get you behind this door so no one sees. Mike's gonna put the cuffs on you in the front, in the back.
No, there's no cuffs.
Yeah, what it's do. We got policies and procedures. Let me call the LT. Just you can shut the door for now. Oh man. Did you search him? Make sure you search him, Mike. This is gonna be.
You've patterned for weapons, right?
I pattern for weapons, but just do a. You know this is gonna be scrutinized and.
I'm just gonna search you real quick, alright? Okay.
Just do me a huge favor, just stay by the car with him. LT? Alright, based on observations, he's gonna be arrested for the 450. He's okay with us. He doesn't want the handcuffs on. I'm trying to give him a courtesy by doing it in the front. Is it absolutely necessary we handcuff him? Okay. Okay, because I appreciate it. Because he's being cooperative and stuff. Okay, I understood. And one of his friends I'm sorry. Yeah, we'll read him his rights when we get 19. Absolutely. One of his friends rolled up on scene. Can we turn the truck over to him, or do you want that towed according to John's law? I know. I understand. I understand. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
I understand. Understand.
Fortunately.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I just it would help for me to run this to his house.
Nah, we can't let you.
Oh, okay.
But we're gonna make him happy and let him think that way. We don't want to upset him. We'll do what we can for him. But yes, sir. So just Rob, do me a favor. Just wait by your truck. I'll come talk to you in like 2 minutes. All right?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. We got coffee in the front. We can do it in the front, but we gotta do it. LT. We just talked to Lieutenant Perdue. We have to in the front. We'll do it right here. Don't have to do it behind your back. Okay? Please please cooperate with us.
Come on.
Oh, they can cuff him in the front? That's interesting. I don't think we get that option. They're pleading with this drunk to please cooperate with them. How do you think things would have gone if that was you with a 0.36 blood alcohol level? You'd probably still be face down on the ground with a couple of knees tucked firmly in your back, recovering from the tasing and the beating you just endured.
John, we don't want this to turn into anything more. You know that. We don't want it. But we cannot lose our jobs. You understand, sir? You're my first sergeant. Thank you. All right. You can leave him out here. I'm looking for I'm gonna check the truck and I'll call for John's law.
Who's on the box?
We'll figure it out. I'll call Eddie. There's got to be a 6:30 guy in there.
When they arrived at the station, a corporal made the following entry in his report. I then read the defendant his Miranda warnings from a card in the processing area. As I completed each sentence of the form, I asked if he understood. After each question, he raised his right hand and extended the middle finger in my direction. Upon asking the last question if he wished to answer questions, he again extended his middle finger in my direction. I advised I would consider that a no. On September 13th, 2018, Lieutenant John Chu pleaded guilty to driving under the influence. His driver's license was revoked for 7 months, followed by 6 months with an ignition interlock. He also was assigned to attend some classes and was assessed a $689 fine, which is the standard for first DUI offenses in New Jersey. John Chu is no longer employed by the Lower Township Police Department and probably received full retirement benefits and a pension. Because of the psychological and behavioral treasure trove we can discover in these cop-to-cop interactions, I've considered making this a series because there's a lot of them we can look at. If you want me to do that, let me know in the comments section. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a hard-hitting conversation-starting design you can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, hat, pillowcase, whatever you want. Become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are and flex your rights. If you don't use those rights, you will lose them. I'll see you in the next video.